My dear technician, this phone came to my shop this morning for repair. Check this out. The first thing, I check for physical damage. Check this out. My dear technician, a technician brought this phone to me for repair. I asked him, what is the problem of the phone? He told me that the phone is not turning on. And he also told me that the problem of the phone is shorting. The VBAT is shorting with the ground. So the phone is not turning on. My dear technician, I told him to wait, let me confirm. My dear technician, check this out. So first thing, I use my multimeter. I set it to diode mode. I place negative to negative, positive to positive. Check this out. You can see very clear that the PCB is shorting. My dear technician, before I start working on this phone, I have to check for physical damage again. Very, very important. I check for physical damage again. Check this out. I check these capacitors. Very important. I zoom to check. My dear technician, check very well. You will see that the PCB is still fresh. I mean, it's still new. There's no physical damage. But the phone is not turning on. My dear technician, the next thing is for me to use my battery booster. My dear technician, I use this battery booster as DC power supply. I know for sure that you're shocked right now because I use battery booster as DC power supply. If you want me to teach you guys, let me know right now in the comment section. My dear technician, check this out. From the battery booster, you can see that this phone is consuming power. You can see it's shorting, it's consuming power. You can see that it's consuming arms. You can see the arms. Check this out. My dear technician, I'm good to go. Now I know the problem of the phone, and right here is heating up. My dear technician, as a phone technician, you need a DC power supply. It's important. You need a DC power supply so that you'll be able to know exactly where the problem is coming from. My dear technician, check this out. So the next thing is for me to carefully remove the shell. It's important, so I have to carefully remove the shell. So let me do that right now. No time to waste. My dear technician, you have to be very, very careful during this process. Please, you have to be very, very careful. As you can see, I'm careful. Check this out. Check this out. You're good to go. You can see, I'm good to go. So the next thing is for me to check for physical damage again. It's important. You have to check so that you know how to troubleshoot, how you can be able to fix the phone. Check this out. My dear technician, let me zoom so that you guys can follow me and see. Check this out. Right here you can see there's no physical damage. The board is still looking very, very good. Like there's no physical damage, guys. You can see we don't have a single physical damage. Everything here look very nice, very clean. You can see, guys, oh my god, everything here looks very good. My dear technician, since everything here is looking good, no physical damage, the next thing is for me to inject voltage so that I will discover that particular component that is faulty. So I'm going to use my battery booster to inject voltage. Check this out. Right here is the wire of my battery booster. Check this out. I place the negative to the ground while the positive goes straight to the VBAT. You can see I'm using 4.1 volts. Check this out. I inject voltage. As soon as I inject voltage, you can see that the voltage drops to 3.9, 3.8, meaning that there is a short. My dear technician, right now, let me use PEST so that you guys will follow me and see the IC that is heating up. Because this CPU is heating up. Check this out. I want you guys to follow me and see. The CPU is heating up. Check this out. Let me inject the voltage again. My dear technician, please watch. You can see that the paste is melting. you can see that the paste is melting. You can see it's melting. It's melting, my dear technician. Check this out, it's melting. The CPU is not working. You can see it's melting. The CPU is not working. So the problem is from the CPU. My dear technician, check this out. The problem is from the CPU. So right now I need to change the CPU. I'm happy because I have the CPU available here. So I'm going to change it. No time to waste. Check this out. So let me get the CPU removed. My dear technician, let me do that right now. Check this out. I'm blowing. You may ask, Father Joe, please tell us the temperature that you are using. My dear technician, the temperature I'm using now to remove this IC is 150. You may ask, Father Joe, the 150 temperature that you're using is too low. My dear technician, now let me explain. My own rework station is different from your own. Have in mind about that. And also have in mind that not all the rework stations are the same. Please have in mind about that. It's important. My dear technician, most of the problem that we have when removing IC is because we don't know the exactly temperature for the IC. We don't know the timing. Okay, you have to know the temperature of the IC. Not just that, you also have to know the timing for removing the IC. Most of us technicians, we don't know all of this. That is why we keep spoiling IC, and at the end it's not working. Okay, if you want to learn more about this, you can come for my physical class. I will teach you, I will expatiate, I will elaborate all of this for you to understand. Okay, it's very simple. Just come and learn how to do all of this. You can see I've perfectly removed the IC. Check this out, my dear technician. Have perfectly removed the IC. This is the CPU of the phone. This is all in one. The power IC, the sound IC, everything is inside this IC. So this is the all-in-one IC. Check this out, my dear technician. The IC is not working, and I'm going to show you guys the proof that the IC is the problem of the phone. The IC is the main thing that stops the phone from working. Check this out, my dear technician. I also zoom to check if there is any error here. You can see we don't have any physical damage. Check this out. We don't have any physical damage here. You can see everywhere here is clean. Check this out. I use my brush and I clean it very well. Check this out. Everywhere here is clean. The next thing is for me to use my multimeter and test for you guys to see that it's not going to short anymore. It's not going to short. So that is the proof that the problem was actually from the IC. So let me test it for you guys to see. If you have any question, please feel free, let me know in the comment section. Please, it's important. My dear technician, let me use my multimeter right now and test for you guys to see that the problem was actually from the CPU of the phone. Check this out. You can see, check this out, negative to negative, positive to positive. Check this out. You can see it's not shorting. You can see it's not shorting. Check this out. It's not shorting. You can see. Let me do reverse reading. You can see everything now is working perfectly. My dear technician, everything is working perfectly right now. You can see it's not shorting. So I'm going to change the IC. I'm going to change the CPU. My dear technician, like I said before, I have the CPU available. Okay, I have the CPU available. But before then, let me use my battery booster, which is my DC power supply, to test. I want you guys to also see that it's not going to drag any power. You can see that it's not dragging any power. Good. You can see it's not dragging any power. Check this out. I love this. My dear technician, I love this. My dear technician, I love this so much. Check this out. So let me get my IC. Let me get the IC right now and show you guys. So this is the old one. This is the old IC. And let me bring the one I will put. You can see the one I will put. You can see. So this is the old one. And this is the new one that I will put. You may ask, Father Joe, where do you get this IC? I get it from a panel. I get it from a phone panel, a phone PCB. So let me use the solder wick to clean the lid on the IC. If you have any question, please feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Please follow me for more videos. Subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, like I said before, let me know in the comment section. So let me clean the IC. You have to be very, very careful when doing this. You can see that I'm careful. I'm very, very careful. You can see. Just take your time to do this. You don't need to rush, please. It's important. You don't need to rush. I'm begging you guys, you don't need to rush. Check this out. I will be done. 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 Check this out. Let me clean again. Check this out. You have to be very, very careful. Check this out. I will be done. Make sure you clean it. You can see I clean it very well. I love this. My dear technician, I love this. I love this, my dear technician. Check this out. Check this out. Very clean, very neat. I love this, my dear technician. So the next thing is for me to place my magnetic tools. You can see my magnetic tools. The next thing is my paper. This time around, I'm using paper. I'm not using the tissue paper. So you can use tissue paper. You can use this one, but I recommend use tissue paper, okay? So that you'll be able to do it. This one will give you tough time. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Just set it very well. You can see I'm taking my time to set this. So please take your time to set it very well. Most technicians, they don't take their time to set it. That is why they make a lot of mistake. They make a lot of mistake. Father Joe, please help me. I try to set it. It's not setting very well. It's because you did not take your time to set it. Check this out. I zoom to check very well. And I'm also setting the IC. Check this out. I'm setting. My dear technician, if you have any question, feel free. Please ask question. Ask question. Check this out. You can see I'm setting. I'm taking my time to set it because I don't want any mistake. I don't want any error. Check this out. Check this out. I'm setting. I'm setting. You can see. You can see. And boom, guys. Boom, guys. I'm still setting. I want it to be in line. Check this out. I'm setting. I'm setting, guys. I'm setting, guys. It's important you take your time to do this because a small mistake you do, everything will be scattered. Check this out. I'm done. So the next thing is for me to apply my solder paste. Okay, you don't need to dry your solder paste. Okay, anyway, it's for beginners. If you're a beginner, you can dry it. Okay, pro technician, you don't really need to dry it. Okay, so for me, I don't need to unless I just want to teach you guys something, especially for beginners. But this method that I'm showing you right now is for pro technicians. Okay, as a beginner, you need to dry your solder paste. If not, it's going to short. Okay, it's going to short. Please take note. Check this out. You can see I'm applying. Just take your time to apply. My dear technician, please when you're feeling this, please do not feel too much. If you feel it too much, it's going to short. Okay, there's a small technique. It's not everything that I expose online. If you want to learn, you can come for my physical class. Okay, just take your time to do it. That's all. Okay, Take your time to do it. But with the technique I'm showing you guys, you'll be able to do it perfectly. My dear technician, the next thing is for you to start blowing. Check this out. I want to start blowing right now. Check this out. Make sure you blow around first. You warm up. Okay, just warm up. Make sure you warm up the stencil. You can see I warm up and I start. You can see the balls. You can see the balls. You can see the balls. The balls is coming out. Oh my God. So lovely. So lovely, guys. Check this out. You can see the balls is coming out. You can see the balls. You can see the balls. So lovely, guys. I love this. I love this so much. My dear technician, you see this work? I will never quit this work. I love this work, my dear technician. Check this out. You can see very clean. Very clean, my dear technician. The next thing, I need to reapply and then blow again, my dear technician, because I don't want any error. You can always check your work. You can see I check my work and I see an error. I have to remove it because that one is too big. I don't want it to spoil other things. So make sure you check your work. Very important. Check your work. So you can see. So let me reapply the solder lead. Let me reapply it. If you have any question, please feel free. Let me know in the comment section. By the technician, you can see I reapply. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done, my dear technician. Check this out. You have to do the same. Make sure you blow around before you start. The balls is coming out. You can see the balls. You can see the balls. You can see the balls. 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 My dear technician, I love this so much. Check this out, my dear technician. So we have a perfect ball. You can see. I love this, my dear technician. So the next thing is for me to apply paste. I'll apply paste and then heat a little bit before I remove it. If you have questions, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Feel free. Let me know, my dear technician. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I blow a little bit. Check this out, my dear technician. I'll be done, my dear technician. If you have questions, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I'm done reballing. Check this out. Let me perfectly remove the IC from the stencil. Check this out. Carefully do this. Please, so you have to be very, very careful. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. You can see I carefully remove the IC. Now let me zoom for you guys to follow and see if there's any error. Check this out. We don't have any error. We don't have any error, my dear technician. Let me clean it and also confirm. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see I'm cleaning right now. Just take your time to clean it very well. Clean it very well. You don't have to rush, please. Just take your time to clean it very well. You can see I'm cleaning my own because I don't want it to have any error. Please do take your time to clean your own. Make sure that your work is good. Check this out. After cleaning, you can see we have some errors. We have some errors, my dear technician. And let me clean it off. We have some errors. If you check around, you'll see that some of the balls are not connected very well. Some are shift. You can see how it is. You can see how it is. You can see how it is. So we need to correct it. We need to correct it. It's very simple. So just apply paste. Okay, just apply paste. So let me apply paste right now. You can see I'm showing you again. You can see before I apply the paste. So let me apply paste right now. Check this out. Make sure that you apply paste. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have any question, feel free, let me know in the comment section. So the next thing is for me to blow. So let me start blowing right now. No time to waste. Check this out. You can see I start blowing. You have to be very, very careful. A small mistake you do, it can short the pins. It can short the pins, my dear technician. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Right here, you can see that we have a short. Okay, during the process, we have a short. That was why I told you guys you should be very, very careful when you're blowing. You can see for my own, there's a small mistake, so it's short. You can see one of the pin here is short, but don't worry, I will show you guys how to correct it. It's very simple. I'll show you guys how you can correct it. Okay, don't worry, just calm down and learn. Calm down and learn, guys. Don't rush. Okay, just calm down and learn. Just get your PCB stand. You can see this one is for IC. Just get it and then connect it. You can see the next thing is for you to heat up. Make sure you heat up very well. Take your time to do that. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Just heat up and use your tweezers, your sharp tweezers, and then separate it. Okay, 1, 2, ready and go. My technician check this out. So I have separated it. You can see. So it's now separated. There's no error again. So let me put paste and then do finishing. I'm doing finishing now. You can see I'm doing finishing now. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. Check this out. I'm done. I'm done 100%. No error, my dear technician. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out, my dear technician. If you have question, like I said before, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. So the IC is ready. The IC is ready. So let me mount. Okay, before I mount, I need to clean. Need to clean this lid off. So let me take my time to clean this lid off. Let me desolder it. My dear technician, ask question. If you have question, ask question. I want to see your question. Please ask question in the comment section. Ask question. If you have question, please ask question. Ask question in the comment section. If you have question, please ask question. Ask question. Ask question in the comment section, my dear technician. If you have any question, ask. I want to see your question. My dear technician, I will be done. I will be done. Please wait. I will be done. 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 Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. Please wait. You can see. I have to clean it very well. If not, it's not going to work. I will be done. So let me clean this place. We have some error here. So let me take my time and clean it. Let me use my desolder wick and then try to clean it very well. You can see we have some components around, so you have to be very, very careful when cleaning. You can see I'm done. So the next thing is for me to use my brush and clean it. Okay, we use my brush. You can also use tweezers like this and then clean it. It's very simple. brush or tweezer, anyone you can use. Clean it very well and you're good to go. My dear technician, check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. You can see after cleaning, you can see how it is. It's very nice. You can see, very nice. Now it's ready. You can see I'm using flux right now. You see this flux is different from the one I used before. Take note, this one is different from the one I used before. If you want to know, let me know right now in the comment section. This one is different from the one I used before. Take note. You can see, just spread it around. Spread it around. Don't rush. Spread it around. You can see I spread it around. Check this out. Check this out, my dear technician. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. So the next thing is for me to place the IC. So this is the IC. So let me mount the IC. Check this out. Make sure you check the direction. Very important. Check the direction. If not, it will not work. So make sure you check the direction. You can see after checking the direction, and I'm good to go. So I place it. The next thing is setting. You have to set it to. Very important. If you don't set it, it's not going to work. So make sure you set it. You set it. So you can see I'm taking my time to set it. You can see. Make sure you set it well. If not, you're not going to get a perfect mounting, and at the end it will not work. Make sure, just take your time to set it. Okay, don't need to rush. Just take your time to do this. Okay, just take your time to do this. Make sure that the four sides are correct. We have mark on the board, so just use the mark. Make sure you set it, all of them, they are correct. If not, you're not going to have a perfect mounting and it's not going to work. Feel free to ask me a question in the comment section. Feel free to ask me a question in the comment section. Feel free to ask me a question. The technician, check this out, is now perfect. You can see all the four sides are in line. So let me mount. Let me mount. For the temperature, I'm using 140 for the temperature. For mounting, I'm using 140. Take note, I'm using 140. For the temperature, I'm using 140. Check this out. Check this out. I'm heating up. I'm heating up. So mounting will not take a lot of time. So you can see I'm done already. So mounting does not take a lot of time. Take note. You can see. So I'm still going to hit again so that I will shake the IC so that the balls will connect very well. I want the balls to connect very well on the PCB. Check this out. I'm done. Excellent. My dear technician, excellent. So let me test it for you guys to see. Let me use my multimeter and test to see. I want to test it for you guys. Check this out, my dear technician. I'm done. You do this, you collect money and enjoy your life, bro. Just do this, collect money and enjoy your life. You see IC work. IC work is very sweet. Like, IC work pay most. Like, guys, I don't know how to explain it, but trust me, IC work generates a lot of money. Technicians that do IC work, micro soldering, they really enjoy. Seriously, IC work pays a lot. So let me test it for you guys to see. No time to waste. Check this out. Negative to negative, positive to positive. Check this out. Now you can see that voltage is flowing in. It's no more shorting. Check this out. Check this out. You can see that voltage is flowing in. It's not shorting, my dear technician. So the next thing is for me to bring battery. Let me bring battery and turn on the phone for you guys to see. Check this out. Okay, let me do that right now. 1, 2, ready and go. Check this out. My technician, it works. You can see the phone is back to life. Check this out. The phone will not consume battery. No battery consumption. This phone is just like new. It's just like getting a new phone because everything here is clean. Guys, it's working 100%. All the buttons. I'm going to test the button for you guys to see. I'm going to play music for you guys to hear. Like, guys, everything here is working. Everything here is working. Everything here is working, guys. Perfectly working. So let me fix. This is the old IC. You can see the old IC. The old IC is not working again. Let me on the phone again. Want you guys to see the proof. My technician, I'm done with the phone, so let me couple the phone so that I can give it to my technician. He's waiting for me. So let me couple the phone, no time to waste. Check this out. So this is the phone now. Check this out after I couple the phone. Check this out. So this is the phone now. Check this out, my technician. Everything works, network full. Everything, guys. Check this out. The phone is working now 100%. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section. Thank you. Bye.